All right, so they've got me creating these webcasts, and now I see value everywhere. So watch out. I hope I don't make too many of these. Okay, let's talk about Egnyte. It's a storage solution we're moving to, and why are we doing it now? It's not only going to enable online collaboration for users, but also create convenience for you. This is a cloud solution and can be accessed anywhere without the need for VPN. That's right. No more connecting to VPN just to get to the M drive or the accounting drive or the executive information. It's all done. Map drives will be on your computer, can access them anywhere. So first step to this is make sure you're logged in. We've pushed this to all your PCs. If you come down here and take a look, this is the Egnyte app. So if I click on it, you can see it says SitelogIQ, it's connected. If it doesn't say that when you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in. That's just your regular network credentials, your email address, and your regular PC password. That's going to map the drive. So everything is going to be the Q drive. So here you can see I've got File Explorer open. This is the Q drive. This is going to be not only for the East Division, but all divisions. We click on shared, let's browse to it, click on shared, and you can see we've put our service departments right at the root. Accounting, human resources, information technology. Keep in mind, if you do not have permission to these folders, you don't even see them. We then also have CNI, East, headquarters information. So East is really going to be where we would consider most of the M drive. That'll be in here. Accounting information, which is what we're moving today. Accounting information is right up here. After you go to the accounting folder, there's going to be one extra step more than normal. You're going to see we have our divisional information broken up. I'm sure what our recommendation is to headquarters is put general information right here at the root and create some folders, forms, whatever that everybody needs to get to. But then if we go to East, you're going to see this is where all of your information is going to be. Again, we're moving this tonight. Okay, so not only can you use this information like you always have, you go to the Q drive, access your data, whatever that may be, you can do the website. So you're going to see I have the browser up and open, same data. What you go to for the website is sitelogic.egnyte.com. I'll put that in the email that I send out. Again, same folder structure, but let's talk about some of the neat details that we can do now. So you can see for East here, I gave an example, and we put a description with this, divisional information and projects. Let's go a little deeper. Let's go to the accounting folder. Go to East. And we've already been working with some payroll consultants with Brent, and this is shared out to them. Maybe we want to give a little bit more detail about that so everybody knows, so we can click on the folder, detail and options. At the bottom is the description. I'm going to say edit, and we'll say externally shared. That way we know that's being shared with somebody outside the company. So this is just an example of how you can start adding descriptions to your folders to really say what's going on with those folders themselves. So permissions. The permissions, like I said, are set. If you cannot have access to that folder, you won't even see the folder is there. The PTO test one, as you see here, was a good example that we were working on with the HR people. They have to be able to see some PTO information. You can click on, whoops, let's go here. We can click on Manage Folder Permissions, and you can see that Human Resources is added into this folder. What that means is they can browse down through to that folder. They cannot see any files above it, any folders above it, or access any information other than what they're supposed to. Very well done by Egnyte. Another thing that we can do is online collaboration. So I'll go down to our information technology folder here, go to SOPs. Here's a Word document. So I can come over here and say open in Word online. So when I click that, it's going to open it in a Word version web browser, but it means that other people can open and edit this file the same as me. Collaboration. If you want to open it just by yourself, edit it on the desktop version, it'll open Word like normal, so forth. So that's very typical of what we can do online or on your PC. And again, you can do this through File Explorer, open your files, or you can do it from the website. Last, let's talk about sharing. Sometimes we want to share files that are too large with someone not within our company. So very easy, whether we want to share a folder or a file. What I can do from the website version is I can click, let's see, I'm on the root of our SOPs. Want to verify that? I can go here to share, and I can say share the folder link. Recipients can view and download only. They cannot edit the files that are there. The other thing that you can do is say request files from others. So what they can do is they can upload to that folder. That's all they can do. They can't see files that are there to download them. They can only upload files. So I know a lot of times we have people calling us. They want to email us a large file. Here's how you can give them access right to a folder where you want them to put it. Can do the same thing with the map drive version. So we can come in here, we can right click, and I can share it. So I can say share and just copy the link, and I can add that link into an email. Or I can look at the link options, which what that's going to do is it's just going to open the website and give you your options here. Great thing is, especially, I mean, here we are today talking about accounting, and we are able to audit who is sharing information outside of the company. It's very important, especially with any kind of HR or accounting information. So it does give us the option. We can run some reports. I can look at link summaries, and it's going to give us a nice little window. And I can say, here's what's being shared out, and here's who it's being shared out to. So we can do some nice audits. Last for today, I don't have an example that I can pull up, but there is an app for this. It's just Egnyte. Do a search, add it in. Nobody wants to do like Word documents and Excel documents on their phone or iPad. It is a great tool, though, for quick reference if you need to pull something up when you're asked a question. Or what I'm really thinking is also our construction workers that have these iPads. They can now connect to the Q drive and pull up project information right on their iPads. The other quick tip is you can scan documents from the app. So, hey, we're all at home. We don't have our large scanners available to us that are in the office. You can use your mobile phone, open the Egnyte app, scan a document, and it saves it right to the Egnyte drive that you want to put it in. So that's everything for Egnyte. We're going to move all of the accounting data. Make sure you're logged in and trying it out. I want to thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the IT team. Thanks a lot.